One of the joys of owning an AGA is that actually cleaning is minimal, and we sell some fantastic products to help you along the way. We sell a chrome and steel cleaner which is suitable for the lids and also for your cookware, and then we sell an enamel cleaner which is perfect for cleaning this part of the AGA or any enamel that's on the top. What you also need are our e-cloths. So we have a green one and a blue one. This one we use damp, so literally just pop it into some warm water and squeeze that out. This particular cloth comes with a little scrubber here that you can pop your finger in, and if you've got any marks on the top or on the enamel, you can just rub using that to get rid of them first. Then you need to apply your cleaner. So we'll start off with the lid. You don't need much. Wipe the top. Lovely. Rinse your cloth off. Little wipe round. And a little buff up with your blue cloth. Looking good. Beautiful clean top. It's only took a minute. So if you take your cloth again, make sure you moisten it. And then take your enamel cleaner this time. And then you just rub it over any marks. And you can do that on the door as well. Rinse it out. And wipe it over the area that you've applied your cleaner. Lovely, lovely and clean. And then you just want to get that lovely shine back. So it's your blue cloth again. There we go. Beautiful. And we're done.